I love listening to music or podcasts almost all the time, so I have speakers spread literally throughout the house. Many of the speakers, like this one, are Bluetooth speakers. Now, off late, I have found that I am not using my Bluetooth speakers as much as I used to, and the reason is quite simple. Bluetooth is a hassle. I first have to pair my phone with the Bluetooth speaker, then keep the phone on during the entire time the music is on. And if, let's say, my wife had to use the speaker, I'll have to switch off my Bluetooth, she'll have to pair it, I'll have to set it to pair, and she'll have to do the entire thing. And worst, if I get a phone call during the song, the music would stop. And the worst of all, every time I pair either my laptop or my phone and listen to music, it would be interrupted by constant notification sounds. But now I use the speaker like a boss. Play Jagjit Singh on the bedroom speaker. You want to know how? Stick around. Before we continue, please consider subscribing to our channel. It takes a second and keeps you notified when we have new videos. The Chromecast audio is the lesser known brother of the ubiquitous Chromecast. Like its name implies, it lets us cast audio content, just like its popular sibling, which lets us cast video to our TVs. The device comes in a smart looking box. I loved the packaging. It did not require any tools like scissors, knives, chainsaws or jackhammers like other frustrating device packaging. I just tore away the strip and the box opened to reveal the dongle. It looks like a tiny LP record, which I assume that most people now wouldn't even recognize. There is a 3.5mm jack here, of course, instead of a HDMI out. It's powered by micro USB just like the regular Chromecast, and there is a button that you can use to reset the device. The box comes with a small 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. The length of the cable shouldn't be a problem though, since it will be attached to your speaker most of the time. Of course, we also have the micro USB cable and a plug to power it. While most TVs would have a USB port where you can plug it in the cable, a USB port isn't that widely available on speakers, especially portable Bluetooth speakers like this one. Now let's get this set up. I simply plug in the cable into the 3.5mm auxiliary in of my aging Bose SoundLink and plug the other end into the Chromecast audio. Since the speaker doesn't have a USB port, I'm going to plug it in using our AC plug. A quick setup using the Google Home app and we are ready to go. Now I can cast audio from any supporting app and even talk to Google Assistant to play, pause, and even control the volume. Almost all modern apps now support Chromecast, including shockingly even Amazon Prime Music. It's available on Flipkart now for around 3,400 rupees, which is a little bit higher than its sale price in the US. So I would recommend that you can get one from the US if you have the access to it, or wait for it to be on sale during one of the mega sales which Flipkart has almost every other month. The Chromecast audio breathes new life into your old audio equipment. So it's very highly recommended, but at a discounted price. If you like this video, please do the drill. Like it, share it, and leave us your comments on whether you liked this video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.